20 or all of them? We opening all of them? Okay, bet. I'm just making sure. I'm just making sure. Alrighty. Oh, okay, okay. Starting out terrible. Oh, I guess it's gonna be very delayed. Yeah. I'll just, I won't talk. I won't talk. No, I can't. There's no way, sadly. I've tried to put it as short as possible, but the shortest I can get it is like 20 seconds. Alright, so I just won't make, because they have like stuff for it. They have certain stuff for it. I don't have that. All I have is my phone and the Xbox. They have like other monitors and stuff. So I'll keep going. I mean if you want, I just bought a what's it called, an operator. Bruh. All I'm saying is I'm not starting out strong. Oh crap, I can't make an emotion. Damn, this is hard because it's delayed. No. What the fuck? What is this? That's a thing? Dude, that's actually, the fact that I got this, even though it's common, is cool. Uncommon is kind of cool that I thought it would. No. Bruh, I didn't mean to click A. I just, bruh. Bulldozer? I guess you guys are my reaction. Wow, the one time I'll ever see 6 viewers on my stream. Me, my Nightbot, you four, or no, us four, plus the stream, plus my, I don't know, wait, Lemon Juices. I don't know who that is, but that's some random dude. Alright, so I have, no, don't ban him, that's some random dude watching me. Flaming grenade. Threaten him. I don't know. He did say he was doing something while we're, opening. Yikes. Bro, what are all these blues coming up? No, I said that after, I said it after the alpha pack, I believe. Yeah. I know, I'm getting straight blue streak right now. Oh, I just opened this by accident. Let's see. Guys. What was it, a blue or purple? No! Oh, okay. Okay. You know, I'm gonna mute myself. Wait, guys, if you just mute me. Wait. Alright, yeah, alright, mute, yeah. Yeah, you guys mute me, and then you guys will be on point with it. Yeah, everyone just mute me. Alright. Alright, no one can hear me now. Alright. Oh, let's go. Okay. Oh, okay. Let's go. Fuck. I mean, it's alright, but like... Okay. You guys have heard me. It was alright. It was like, I'm getting a lot of black stuff, like, just black tinted stuff. That's why. You guys are gonna, yeah. So many blues. I've gotten like 18, like half my things are blues. I mean, actually, it kind of looks a little cool because it looks like the what's it called? I can't remember what it was called. Like how that just Deagle or not Deagle vibe, but Silver vibe. Bro, well, that's actually pretty cool. What the heck? Oh, let's go! Okay, okay, legendary, legendary. Come on. Oh, whoa, that actually looks pretty cool. I keep getting like black tinted. I hear this, but I keep getting like black tinted stuff. Bro, that's sick. Oh, oh my god. My luck. Oh my god. What the fuck is this? Alright, it's cool, but like what? Dude, I'm getting so much black stuff. Like what? But it's cool. Some of the stuff is, dude. What luck is this? So much good luck. Okay. How much we got? I got, dude. Guys. You're probably gonna hear this. I literally just got to 24. Oh. Why does the black love me so much? I think the black gods have freaking forgiven me. As I said that too, I got a white. All these commons. Don't be a common. Please don't be a common. Oh! It's insanely good, but insanely bad. Like, bruh. How many do I got left? 13. 13 left. Damn. That was a good run. Alright, I think these last ones are just gonna be commons. These are just gonna be all uncommons and commons, bruh. The last ones are all commons and uncommons, bruh. What's the black guys have what? Bro, I got 7 left. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, it's alright. I mean, it's for Echo's gun, I think. I think that was for Echo's. I'm not sure. I didn't see that. Oh, that blue, maybe? I don't like that. I already have a better one. White noise. Dude, that actually might match my gun I have. Bro, I've already got a 2. Alright. 3 left. Yeah, no, that blue was pretty good. Alright, 3 more. Oh, 2 more. 2 more. Shut up. I tried playing ranked and it was like, it didn't go well because no one was on. Oh, okay, let's go. Blue. Oh, okay. I mean, actually, no, I have a blue helmet for this dude. I haven't gotten some that match yet. Oh, oh! No. No. Last one. Oh my god! What? What? Oh, it's not for the good gun, but I got flag. I got flag lights on my left. I got flag lights on my left. I got the. What the? Oh my god. Yes, I know exactly. The semi-auto guns. Oh my god. The last one. Alright. Bro, the last one. Go to the party chat. Go to party. Go to party. Oh my god, what? How? How? Bruh. I'm gonna steal your Thatcher soon. The last alpha pack. The last alpha pack.